There are moments, especially during the holidays, when emotions rise faster than we can name them. A sharp comment, an unexpected memory, a sudden shift in energy. And before we know it, our breath tightens, our body hardens, and we feel pulled out of ourselves. But calm is never lost. It waits for you, right beneath the surface, right beneath the next breath. Today, we return to that place. We restore balance, not by forcing calm, but by breathing ourselves back into it. Welcome back to the Healthy Holiday Habits series. I'm Marybeth Hrim. I'm a mental health therapist, coach, runner, and someone who deeply understands the emotional complexity of this season. Protecting your peace isn't about shutting the world out. It's about staying rooted in yourself, even when emotions swirl around you. And before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive every meditation, conversation, and tool designed to support your well-being, not just during the holidays, but in the days that follow. Today's meditation is called Breath of Balance. It is a gentle, powerful way to bring yourself back into harmony after emotional moments. So let's go ahead and begin and go ahead and settle in and arrive into your body. Find a comfortable position. You can be seated or lying down, or anywhere your body feels supported. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw loosen. Let your hands rest without effort. And slowly close your eyes. If that doesn't feel safe, then just gaze down. Take a slow breath in and an unhurried breath out. Again, inhale deeply, as if clearing space inside your chest. Exhale slowly, as if releasing what your body no longer needs to hold. Feel your breath begin to settle. Feel your energy begin to drop back into your center. Bring your awareness to the place in your body that feels most affected by recent emotions. Could be your chest, your stomach, your throat, your shoulders, or a subtle heaviness behind your eyes. Instead of judging it, just notice it. Notice its shape, its texture, its weight. This sensation is not wrong. It's simply your body's way of saying, something touched me. Place a gentle hand there if it feels right. Offer it, acknowledge it. Warmth present. Now bring your focus to your breath again. Imagine it becoming warm, steady, and intentional. Inhale deeply through your nose, drawing your scattered energy back toward your center. Exhale softly through your mouth, letting the emotional residue loosen its grip. Again, inhale, gathering yourself. Exhale, releasing what isn't yours to carry. Feel the breath spreading calm through your system, down your arms, down your torso, down your legs, anchoring you back into wholeness. With each inhale, imagine soft light entering your chest. With each exhale, imagine heaviness dissolving, melting downward like warm wax. This is balance returning. This is your nervous system saying, I remember you. See your breath now as a gentle wave, rolling in, rolling out, steady, predictable, constant. This wave neutralizes emotional spikes. It smooths the edges. It helps your body come back to a grounded baseline. You don't have to erase your emotions. You don't have to justify them. You don't have to react to them. You only have to breathe through them. Inhale, calm rises. Exhale, tension falls away. Bring one hand to your heart again, the other to your belly. Feel the warmth of your presence. Say silently or out loud, I can return to myself. Again, I can restore my peace at any moment. And once more, my breath brings me back home. Feel your chest soften. Feel your belly relax. Feel your heart expand without pressure or expectation. Let your breath find a soft, natural rhythm. Feel your body held, supported, grounded. Feel balance settling like warm sand at the bottom of a clear glass. Know this: emotional moments may shake you, but they do not define you. You are the calm beneath the swell. You are the breath that steadies the internal waters. Go ahead and bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Before we close, take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can continue receiving these practices of peace, grounding, and emotional well-being. Take one last deep inhale. Slow, full, and a gentle exhale, releasing everything you no longer need. Thank you so much for choosing peace. Thank you for choosing yourself, and thank you for returning again and again to your breath of balance. I'm Marybeth Hrim. Until next time.